So guys, previous videos also I have uploaded related to the Pyspark, okay, rank, okay, and other functions like filter, joins, okay, and user different function also I have mentioned in the video. Okay, please check it, and it will help to you give get some idea how to write those functions. Okay, now we are going to discuss about with column function. It is like a one of the transformation in the Spark. So it is a powerful tool for manipulating the data frame. It allows column modify. It allows to you to create columns, modify existing one, and you can create a derived column based on calculation or transformation. Okay, so this is with column transformation. Okay, now here I'm going to showcase you with one of the example. So basically, like for example, you want to create a new column or modify the existing one, and you want to derive the column from existing column, right? So you want to derive with new column. So for those kind of scenario, you can utilize the with column. And right now here examples, you can get a clear cut idea how to utilize this PySpark with column function. Okay. Now I'm importing the record library from pyspark.sql, import spark session from pyspark.sql function, import when. Okay. Here I'm creating the section for the I want to display the data. I need that section also, right? So spark the session builder dot app now with the column example git on create method. So left side is whatever I have created. This is the variable, and this is the way to create a session by using spark dot builder method. Okay, get or create method. Okay. After this one, I am going to create a sample data. Here the sample data I have taken data equal to Rahim 30, Ramu 25, John 35. Now I'm assigning the column for this data. Okay, I'm assigning column equal to name age. After doing this one, I'm creating a data frame in order to display the data right in the data frame. So I'm creating for this df equal to spot dot create data frame data comma column. Now I'm creating a for this data I want to add a new column also. So df equal to data frame df with the column age category. I'm writing a when function. When df dot age is greater than equal to 30, it's adult, otherwise young. After after creation of this function at df with the column, right, it is actually creating a new column. Okay, whenever age is greater than 30, it nothing but it is adult. Now if you observe here, after df dot show, the output is like name is age category, the above 30 is adult, below or 25 is young, and adult 35, like this we have mentioned. Okay, this is like the one sample example how to utilize the df with the column by creating a new column. Suppose in real world e-commerce data analysis with PySpark column scenario, let's imagine we are analyzing a e-commerce data to identify high value customers and potential product bundles. So for example, I'm importing the record libraries. Here I'm using with the like struct type, struct field, integer type, string type, double type. These are the data type which are mostly use case. And as well as I have uploaded already video regarding on this also, guys. You can go ahead and check it over that video. Now, like similar, I'm going to create a Spark section by using get or create method with help of spark.section.builder. Now I'm creating this the sample data set which I have data equal to, these are the data I have. Now I'm assigning that this data type what kind of, this is a string type object I'm creating. Inside this one I'm using string struct field. I'm mentioning the data type here. And real time mostly, whenever you're reading the data, right, you want to do for testing purpose, you have to mention, it is mandatory to mention the schema also. Okay. After this one, I'm creating a data frame, data equal to data, schema equal to schema, I'm displaying. So this is the data I have. Now, using with the column, I want to do some data enrichment. Okay. So calculate total revenue per order. I want to calculate total revenue per order. So df with the column, total revenue, call function. So call function, basically it is like selecting the column, on top of that it applying the transformation also. So df with the column, total revenue, call price into what? Into star one. Okay. Now if you observe here, it is creating a new column. Total revenue as well, it is calculating the price also with help of call function. So similarly, suppose here one more example, df with the column purchase month, f dot month, f dot call order date. If you observe here, purchase month also we have created. So like this, we can create, with help of with the column transformation, This is an example, guys. You will get a clear cut idea. Okay, how to mostly I have utilized with help of by creating a new column. You can explore, okay, by creating a no, I mean to say like by modifying an existing column, and you can adding a new column, or you can derive a new column, existing a new column, modifying the existing column, or you can drop the column also, you can do it. Okay, you just need to utilize a particular function related with help of based on the scenario you can explore. So this is about this. With one example I just showcase you, you can explore with column transfer, you can do many things, guys. Okay, I mean to say related to the, you want to manipulate the data, right, data frame, right? So those scenario with column play key role. So this is about this section, guys. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.